Hi guys, Gwen Esther here. Thanks for joining me. Today I decided to go to Starfield, which is a mega mall in Korea. So I wanted to show you how to use Kakao-Taxi, which is a cab that you call like Uber using Kakao app. And also how to use the bus, because using the bus in Korea is different from America. So I just wanted to show you how to do it, because if you're coming here for the first time, you're not gonna know what to do. So in order to use Kakao-Taxi, you have to first download it on your phone and click on Kakao-Taxi and click on taxi and not the black one, because black taxis are more expensive. At the bottom, it tells you the current location. But in order to tell the driver exactly where you are, you're going to use 2 fingers to zoom in. And then the blue dot is indicating where you are, but the word from is indicating to the driver where you want to be picked up. So that's what you want to move. So right now, Kakao-Taxi is telling me that I am where Mega Coffee is, but I'm actually across the street from it. So I had to change my location. And once that's set, I'm going to tell them where I'm going. So I tried typing in Starfield at first, but it wouldn't come out because I think Starfield in Anseong is relatively new and they don't have it updated into their system. So I had to type it in Korean. And as you can see, Kakao-Taxi will give you options as you spell them out. And it will give you the estimated time of arrival and estimated amount that you'll be paying. And you're gonna click on request. And because I have my payment already set up into the system, it's asking me if I want this to be an automatic payment. I'm just gonna press yes, and then I'm gonna click request. And it gives you the information about the driver and the plate number. Okay, I'm inside the taxi right now. Alright, so this is Starfield. I'm gonna cross the street and show you the inside of a mega mall in Korea.
Here is Starfield. It's very big. Can't really tell how big it is until you actually go inside. But I do like this mall. I think I prefer this mall more than the COEX mall in Seoul. This actually reminds me of the malls in America.
It's cold today, very cold. It's gotten very cold in Korea. It's crowded because of the Christmas season. Okay, and we have to scan our QR code before entering in. Okay, so one thing neat about Starfield is you could bring your dogs. Look at that little dog, so cute. Aww. There's a lot of people shopping right now. And this is my favorite place to shop in Korea, Zara. Now let me show you how the clothes look in Korea, because even Zara's in Korea look different. The fashion looks different. The clothes look different. It's very Korean style. Okay, so I mean, of course you have your typical jackets and dresses, but even still, they still look very Korean to me. I miss American fashion. That's one thing I really miss. Really, Zara is one of the best places that I like to go shopping. This is my outfit today. Very casual. These are some bags. I don't know if they have the similar things in the States right now, because I haven't been in the States. This is a cute dress. Or a shirt. I believe it's a shirt or a dress, I don't know. It's on sale for $29,000, which is around $27. This jacket is actually from Zara, one of the best buys that I have bought in Korea. Love this jacket or coat. So there's so many people around today. So many people shopping because of the Christmas season. I'm going to get food because I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten and it's past 3 p.m. and I just worked out, so I need to get something to eat. So I'm gonna show you the food court. And I know Korean food courts, like the food there is a lot better than the food in American food courts in the malls. There's a kids bookstore here, which is really nice. It's called 별마당. Okay? And kids could come in here, read books, play, while the parents, do other stuff. Let's go in here. I never went inside here before. This is nice. Alright, so let me kind of show you what kind of food they have in Korean mall food court. And it's called Eatopia. Now they have a Kaiser and Nanny's burger. Burger's pretty good. When I first tried it, I thought it was one of the best burgers that I had in Korea. So definitely try this place out. Alright, so this is a steak place. They actually make really good steak. They really know how to cook it to medium. Definitely try this place out. Seoul. The prices are a little expensive, but yeah, if you're in the mood for steaks and you don't want to go to a restaurant, definitely try this out. This is 청국장. It's kind of smelly, healthy Korean food, but I don't really like it, so I don't eat it much. This is a Korean place. It's called 화반정. These are some of the stuff they have. Okay, the prices range from 9,500 to almost 20,000 because of sets. These are set menus. Alright, let's move on. Okay, this is a Chinese noodle place. Okay, and I actually like this place. Okay, it's catered to Korean palate, but it's still good. Alright, so this place is new, Guacamole. I think it just opened. And they have Mexican food. I don't know how Mexican it's gonna taste, but let me try this place out because I haven't tried this place before. Nice design of the ceiling. So this is my food. I got the beef fajita. You have your fajitas and some beef and vegetables and the sauce. This is where you can drink water and wash your hands before eating your food. Starfield is very ideal for kids to enjoy because, as you can see, they have so many kids' clothes. But places like this, Gyeonggi-do, you could have fun lying down all these big pillows. Aren't they so cute? These are all Kakao characters. So cute, right? Kids come here and just lie on these things. Very cute. Korea has a lot of cute stuff. That's one thing I could say. Look at all this. Cute dolls. So you got a K-Speed skateboard shop. Then they got a sketch place. And you pay money to play with Play-Dohs and I don't know what they are, but kids, and they have a trampoline where they could have fun. So this place called Champion 1250X is an obstacle course for kids to have fun. So they have a movie theater on the 3rd floor called Mega Box. You could never go wrong with Auntie Anne's. I love Auntie Anne's. So this is a little cafe where you can drink with the little fish. It's like a small aquarium where you can sit and enjoy the tropical with the fish. Ooh, look at this. Big fish. Is that a turtle? It's a turtle! Oh my gosh! Oh, look at his feet! Oops. This is so cute. Aww. There's Nemo. I don't know if you can see. Little Nemo's swimming around. Cute. Look at, there's a shark here. Wow, look at this. And I don't know what kind of fish this is, but it's an ugly one, but wow, it's really big. This is my hand right now, and it's really, really big. Very, very big. And you got your shark behind it. More sharks. Alright, so I am going to Sports Monster, which is an obstacle course for adults. I've been here once and it's like 25,000 won, which is around $23. Is it worth it? I guess it's worth the experience, but in my opinion, I couldn't do all the obstacles because it was kind of scary. You can see somebody over there right now. Wow, he's really high. And you got your Genesis store. You have to wait in line. Well, these are some of the cars you can see. Oh, they look like hybrids. I guess they're new, right? Fun City! This is the actual arcade. Never went in here before, but let's go in. Wow, look at Santa. He looks like a real human being. These are cotton candy.
공주가 인도에
그거 하나면 돼?
snowing, guys. Look. But it's a little playground. Well, this one is for kids. You got your dog park. And nobody's out because it is snowing and it is so freaking cold. Okay. But if it was the summer, this place would be full of people and dogs. So let me show you how to use the public bus. Make sure you have either 3 of these cards. You could have a T-Money, which can be purchased in most retail stores like CU, GS25, or 7-Eleven. Or if you have a Korean bank debit card, you can use that also. And you could open a Korean credit card and use that as your transportation card as well. Alright, I am approaching the bus stop. Okay. And it's telling me that my bus is coming in 9 minutes. And if Yeoyu means there's a lot of space, a lot of vacancy, and 보통 means just regular. There are just enough people. Too many people in here, so I'm gonna pass. Okay, that's what you do. You put your car here. Okay. Okay, so now I'm walking home. Thanks guys for watching and see you next time. Bye!